you've seen it now, okay? Wilder Stars. The teaser premiere has just been completed. Only now we may have more questions than answers. Like, what was Forevermore Canyon even like before a ministry settled there? Was the region inhabited? And what on earth is a wilder star? Yeah, it's kind of the fun of it all, right? But I'd like to tease you just a little bit more. I know Terrell's gonna go crazy, but for this very special premiere night event, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. The lore of Wilder Stars. You know, the world from which it was written. Welcome to the Infinite Universe. A gospel-driven narrative world in which is an endless amount of story, characters, and challenges for our intrepid characters to face. And the nonprofit, which stewards Eternity Chapel, is the keeper of its intellectual property. The Infinite Universe exists in books, audiobooks, and soon, motion picture. You know, technically, Wilder Stars would be the first film in this ever-expanding storytelling world. So look, stick around, watch for updates, and how about we run that trailer back just one more